been going for about 10 seconds now.
Howdy, howdy. So, we decided to visit a fantastic food truck. Let me pan out to there. It's called Stacy's Grill to Go. She offers a variety of items on her food truck, and the first item that we are going to be trying is a quesadilla. It's got beef in it. Oh, let's just dive into it, shall we? And it also in this meal, we've got onion rings that we're going to be trying as well. So let's go ahead and enjoy this. Oh wow. Really good. You can see that cheese right there on the end of it. That's good. Yummy. Yummy. It's a little messy, but that's a good thing. Let's get some of that crusty cheese right there. That's yum. Whoop. Beautiful rich field here where she's located about every Thursday.
It is every Thursday.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, every Thursday. It's actually very quiet up here. Very peaceful. Y'all should come check her out. She's got a fantastic food truck. Good old Roanoke. You hear some tapping. It's a little construction they're doing here, but that's okay. Ooh, tomato. Okay. That was good. That was really good.
When did they start?
I believe it was back in 2017. I believe it's when she started. She just wanted to start something that was, you know, her own. You know, like, it's not that she didn't get tired of working in the corporate world, you know, but she just wanted to do something that was of her own idea, her own values, you know, and bring home something, or bring something to the public that they think that they would enjoy, which, let me tell you, pretty good.
All right, move on to the next one.
All right. Let's try the next menu item. This one is the bacon chicken ranch quesadilla. Let me grab me a napkin here and let's try this one. Same cheese, as you can tell. Alright, let's dive in. I don't know about y'all, but anything with bacon in it, yum. Look at that. Cheese. Definitely taste the bacon in it. Oh. Let's talk a little about bacon. Very delightful. Good Lord, y'all. I can't talk for nothing today. delicious. That's what I meant to say. Take another good healthy bite. Pretty filling, actually. Especially if you've been working all day. Not in the mood to cook, you can just come up to Stacy's Grill to Go and come and get you some food to take home. Let me tell you, it's pretty filling. One more item. Almost one more item. Well, look yonder.
We'll have to try that later because we don't have a knife.
Yeah. But don't it look fantastic though? Let me show y'all. Look at that. So, last but not least, I'm gonna grab my spoon, y'all. Got a spoon, gotta have a spoon to try this last menu item. This one is her cheesy potatoes.
It's loaded potato soup.
Loaded. Sorry. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Let's take a bite. Ooh, cheese pull. Can't have nothing but good old cheese pull. Very hearty and rich. You can taste the good bacon notes in it. Onion. Oh man. So in conclusion, you need to come check out Miss Stacy's Grill to Go. Every Thursday, she's here at this wonderful place here. Take a look. We're in the gazebo. There's Josh. They're doing a little construction back there, but don't mind that. So, in conclusion, I would give her probably about an 8, 1 out of 10 rating. She is phenomenal. She's very enthusiastic, loves what she does, loves to take care and feed people good quality food. See you next time.